Hello students, today I am going to teach you chapter 5 Cubes and Cube Roots. In this chapter we will learn what are perfect cubes, properties of cubes and cube roots. So our first topic is perfect cubes. You have learned that cube is a three-dimensional figure having 6 square faces. Length, breadth and height of a cube are equal. Also, volume of a cube of side S is S into S into S, that is S cube. Similarly, a number which can be expressed as a triple product of a number is called a cube number or a perfect cube. It is a number raised to the power 3. So, cube of 2 is written as 2 raised to power 3, that is triple product of 2, 8. Cube of 3 is written as 3 raised to power 3, that is triple product of 3, that is 27. So, 8 and 27 are called perfect cubes of 2 and 3 respectively. Thus, we define perfect cube is a number which can be expressed as triple product of a number. Now, to check a number is a perfect cube or not, first find the prime factors of a number, then group the prime factors in triple. If no factor is left, then the number is a perfect cube. Now, properties of cube. First property is a cube of a even natural number are even. Suppose 2, 4 and 10 are even natural numbers, then their cubes are also even. Cube of 4 is 64 and that of cube of 10 is 1000. So here 8, 64 and 1000 are the cubes of 2, 4 and 10. 2, 4 and 10 are even. Also 8, 64 and 1000 are also even. So this is first property. Now second property is cube of odd natural numbers are odd. Suppose 1, 3 and 5 are odd numbers. Then find out their cubes. Cube of 1 is 1, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 5 is 125. So 1, 3 and 5 are odd natural numbers and cube of these numbers 127 and 125 are also odd. Now third property is cube of negative numbers are negative. Suppose minus x is a negative integer, then minus x cube equals to minus x into minus x into minus x, that is minus x cube. Take some examples. Minus 1 cube equals to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Cube of minus 3 is minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, that is minus 27. Now fourth property is cubes of rational number A upon B is also rational number, that is A cube by B cube. For example, 2 upon 3 is a rational number, then its cube is also rational number, that is 8 upon 26. Children, we'll do some examples from the exercise. First, to check whether the numbers are perfect cubes or not, let us consider number 1125. Now first we find the prime factors of 1125. Since this number is divisible by 3, it will come here 375. Again this number is divisible by 3, here come 125. Now this number is divisible by 5. So the prime factors of 1125 are 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Since 5 is obtained in triple product of equal factors, but 3 is not, so the number 1125 cannot be expressed as a product of triple equal factors. Therefore, it is not a perfect cube. Now I do second example. Find the least number by which the following must be multiplied to make them perfect cube. Let us consider number 1600. Again, we'll find the prime factors of 1600. Now this number is divisible by 2. This is also divisible by 2. We will get the prime factors of 1600 are like this. So the prime factors of 1600 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 is obtained in equal triple factors. This 2 is also obtained triple factors, but 5 is not obtained. So we need to must multiply this number by 5 to make this into a product of triple equal factors. Therefore, the least number, it should be multiplied by is 5. Next topic is cube roots. We know that cube of 2 is 8, and therefore 2 is said to be cube root of 8, and sign of cube root is, this is the sign of cube root. We write here 3, so it is a cube root. If you don't write here 3, then it is a square root. So for cube root, we write this sign. So cube root of 8 is written as 2. Similarly, cube root of 64 is 4. Cube root of 1000 is 10. Now to find the cube roots by prime factorization method, let us do one example. Consider a number 512. Now find the prime factors of 512. Since this number is divisible by 2, here come 256. Again it is divisible by 2. It is also divisible by 2. 64 is divisible by 2. 32 is divisible by 2. 16 is divisible by 2. 8 is divisible by 2. 4 is divisible by 2. So the prime factors of 512 are 2 into 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 2. Now group the products of three equal factors. And cube root of 512 is obtained by taking from each group one factor and do the product of these factors. We will get cube root of 512 is 8. Now second example. To find the cube roots which are expressed in exponential form. Now consider one example. Cube root of 2 raised to power 6 into 3 raised to power 9. So in such case, cube root is obtained by dividing each power by 3. So first we divide 2 raised to power 6 by 3. We'll get 2 square, and 3 raised to power 9 divided by 3 will get 3 cube. So the cube root of 2 raised to power 6 into 3 raised to power 9 is 2 square into 3 cube. That is 4 into 27, 108. Now third example. To find the cube roots of negative numbers, let us consider minus 8000 and find the cube root of minus 8000. Take out minus sign out of this cube root. Then 8000 equals to 8 into 1000. Now separate cube root of 8 and cube root of 1000. We will get minus 2 into 10, that is minus 20. As cube root of 8 is 2 and cube root of 1000 is 10. Now fourth sum is find the cube roots of decimal numbers. Take decimal number 2.197. Now find the cube root of this number. We'll write cube root of 2197 divided by 1000. If you remove this decimal, you will write in the denominator 1000. Then find the cube root of 2197 and cube root of 1000 separately. Cube root of 2197 is found by factorization method. It is the cube of 13. So we write cube root of 2197 is 13 and cube root of 1000 is 10. So our answer is 1.3. Cube root of 2.197 is 1.3.